Children, in this session I will explain you exercise 1.1. The first question is given as the following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So children, in this number line the 0 number is in the middle. On the right side there are positive numbers 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and on the left side there are negative numbers -5, -10. So the temperatures are given. Let us see from here. Lahore Spiti is given -8. Srinagar is given here from 0, -1, -2. So Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade. Then Shimla is 5 degrees C. Ooty is, see here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So Ooty is 14 degrees C and Bengaluru is 22 degrees C. Now the first question is given. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So let us see again that Lahore Spiti is -8 degrees C, Srinagar is -2 degrees C, Shimla is 5 degrees C, then Ooty is 14 degrees C and Bengaluru is 22 degrees C. Now the second question is given as what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. So difference means minus. So we have to minus the temperatures. The hottest place is Bengaluru 22 degrees C and the coldest place is Lahore Spiti 8 degrees C. So we have to find the difference. So 22 minus -8, it will be 22 plus 8, minus becomes plus. So 22 plus 8, it will be 30 degrees C. Now the third question, what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? So let us see. Lahore Spiti is given -8 degrees C and Srinagar is given -2 degrees C. Now see here, -2 is the bigger number, -8 is the smaller number. So we have to subtract smaller from bigger. So -2 minus -8. So -2 minus -8, it will be minus becomes plus again. So -2 plus 8, it will be 6 degrees C. Now next question is given as can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So let us see Shimla and Srinagar. So here Srinagar is -2 degrees C, Shimla is 5 degrees C. So which is less? Srinagar is less. And which is more? Shimla is more. By how much? So 5 and 2. So it will be 3 degrees C difference. So 5 degrees C plus -2 degrees C. So it will be 5 minus 2, it will be 3 degrees C. So the question is given, second question is given, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So no, because temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees C and 3 degrees C is not less than 2 degrees C. So answer will be no. Now next question is given. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds where 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. So these are the marks which Jack has scored. So what is asked here? What is his total score at the end? So we will, total is asked, so we will plus all the numbers. So 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So here again plus minus becomes minus, 25 minus 5, again plus minus becomes minus, -10 plus 15 plus 10. So we will see 25 minus 5 will be 20, 20 minus 10 will be 10, 10 plus 15 will be 25 and 25 plus 10 will be 35. So answer is 35. Now let us see the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees C on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees C on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees C. What was the temperature on this day? Now see, temperature first it was -5 degrees C. On Tuesday it dropped down. Dropped down means we have to take minus. So -5 -2. So it will be -7 degrees C. And On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees C. Rose means we have to plus now. So minus 7 plus 4, it will be minus 3 degrees C. Now let us see the next question. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now see, it is given in the picture that this is the sea level, this is the plane, and below there is the submarine, and this plane is flying above the sea level. Above it is 5000 kilometer above, and below the sea level the submarine is at 1200 meter. Now what we have to do? We have to find the total vertical distance. So we will add these two, above the level and below the sea level. So it will be 5000 plus 1200, it will be 6200 meter. Rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will we represent the amount deposited? Find the balance of Mohan's account he withdrawn. So here withdrawal is shown by negative sign and deposit is shown by positive sign. Deposit means we are adding the amount, so we have to show plus sign, and withdrawal means we are subtracting because we are taking away the amount. So here the balance will be shown as 2000 minus 1642. So the total balance will be 358. Now the next question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards the west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent the final position from A? Now see, Rita is going 20 km towards east. So from A she is going 20 km towards east, and then from there to the point B, she is going to point B. From point B she moves 30 km along the same road, and she is moving 30 km toward the west side. So west means minus side she is going. If the distance toward the east is represented by positive side, positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled toward the west? So towards east it is represented by positive sign, towards west it is represented by minus sign. So towards east it is positive sign, so what will be towards west? It will be negative sign. Now by which integer will you represent the final position from A? So final position from A will be, from A to B is 20 and from B to C it is 30. So from A to C what we will do? We will subtract 30 and 20. So it will be, final position from A to C will be 20 minus 30 will be minus 10. Here we have to 20 and minus 30, so it will be minus 10 km.
Children, practice all the sums and check the answers from the answer sheet.